Heat maps display values in a matrix format, with conditional formatting dictating that larger values be displayed with a darker hue than their smaller valued counterparts. This video will cover the basics of how to design a heat map using iZenda's chart design interface. Like any iZenda visualization, the user has access to the data sources selected on the report on the left side of the screen. There are 5 distinct boxes in the configuration area for this chart type: title, description, labels for the x-axis, labels for the y-axis, and value labels. This configuration is similar to that of a scatter plot. The value labels will dictate each of the squares on the heat map visualization according to the x and y axis points. For this example, we will use states for the x-axis and a date field for the y-axis. In the Field Properties panel, our states will be automatically grouped while the date field will default to the year value. For now, we will leave the order date field on the year to demonstrate the functionality of the heat map. For this example, we want to see the total sales for each state on the plotted year. So, we'll add our profit field into the value label section to render our chart visualization. The darker boxes are a quick indication of the values that are larger for that state in that year. Assuming our chart is large enough to accommodate all the data, we can add value labels in the Report Properties panel to display the data points on each of the boxes. This will make it easier to quickly analyze what sort of values are shaded darker than their smaller counterparts. There is no click-through or drill-down behavior associated with the heat map chart itself. However, if cross-filtering is applied with a chart that does have drill-down behavior, the heat map will react accordingly. For more tutorials on iZenda visualization and additional information on the platform, please watch our additional videos or visit our website to learn more.